Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Model, model content, model header, model body, and more. Let's start coding. I'm going to create a button first, then we will type our model code. Button, open, model. Button type, button, and class name btn primary. Let me get them down. And also I need to add couple of more things related model. Database toggle, model, database target. You can assign any name you want. Let's say my model. Let's save it and have a look at it. This is just a button. When you click our button, that model will pop up. Let me get that one here. Let's start our model. Let me put some note about starting and ending model. We need to create a div first with class name model. Let's add rest of things for that div, weight and ID. ID must be same to that one, my model. So we are targeting that ID with typing the ID name here. Sub index -1 and area labeled by, we can assign same name, my model, and area hidden true. Let's create another div, class name model dialog, and we need to add another div for model content, and we need to add model header. And now we need to add model title. We use h5 for it, my model, and class name model title, and ID my model. And we need to add a button to close the model. Type button class btn close, and database dismiss, model, and area label close. We can get them up, and now we can start our model body. We just need to add another div here with class name model body, model body. We will add different things such as form or warning message and then etc. in model body later. Let's add our model footer too. We need to add two buttons, one of them for close, the other one might be save, update. It is depend on your project. Or if you want, you can just put a single button too. You don't have to add close because we already have close button here. Let's add our first button, close, type button, and class btn danger, and database dismiss, model. Let me get them down. And let's add our second button. Save type button, class btn primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our model. As I mentioned earlier, you can add whatever you want in model body. We will add different things in model body. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.